Get out and enjoy the sunshine,
Really?
what you should do.
A nice one today, that's
Beautiful
for
day
sure.
today. Yeah, we're not dealing with any fires here, although, you know, we're not the only ones suffering with drought conditions. Take a look at this. This is live from Orlando, Florida, where 16,000 acres have been burned now in a wildfire that is still apparently out of control. Hundreds of homes are reported threatened in that area right now. So firefighters in Florida, from Florida to Texas, have their hands full. Well, you know what our situation was yesterday, and we have a report now out today on what this fire did. This is the 35th to 45th in Mopac wildfire yesterday afternoon. Remember this? Our viewer Steve Leach and several of our viewers sent us some just incredible footage. It ended up being a quarter of a mile long. 4 cars and 2 construction trailers were burned, with the damage now estimated at $44,000. Fortunately, no one hurt, but residents did have to be evacuated from that complex there. Today, the wildfire danger has been less thanks to less wind, some cooler weather in the area this morning. In fact, downright cold. Take a look at some of these low temperatures this morning. 29 in Fredericksburg, or out at the Gillespie County Airport anyway. 30 in Llano, 29 degrees in Mason, 32 in San Saba. And some of those, what we call the cold pockets out in the hill country, those real low-lying areas, the valleys, we saw a couple of, well, we saw 124-degree reading near Doss this morning, and a couple of 26 to 27-degree readings. And even around the metro area, up around Jonestown, around Lago Vista, and around Barton Creek, we saw a couple of 32s this morning. So we can still have freezing weather. In fact, this first week of March is the average last freeze for rural metro areas. In Austin, our average last freeze was last week. It was the 23rd, but that's central Austin. So if you live around Camp Mabry and right in the middle of town, downtown, it's probably okay to start your planning. If you live out here in the hill country, your last average freeze is March 23rd, so a couple of weeks away. And then we saw some 40s this morning, low 40s, even some 30s off to the east. Well, it sure did turn out pretty today, didn't it? Skies are beautiful now. It's 73 degrees. Tonight we stay clear, 57 by 10 p.m. Winds have gone southerly tonight, so we're not expecting freezing temperatures. Temperatures around the area right now, area-wide, low and mid-70s, just about as beautiful as a March 1 can be. Clear and 73 in the city, very dry air, 16-17% relative humidity. 72, perfect out at the airport with a clear sky. Hardly any wind out there, so the wildfire situation not a big threat today. Sunset 6:30 tonight on the nose. Mold count low today. Cedar medium at 83. Elm low. Mold and assorted spring trees medium tomorrow. Around the state, 60s and 70s. Everybody looking real nice today. Very few clouds in the sky anywhere in Texas. Our next weather maker, a low pressure area here off the Pacific Northwest coast that will be in this position by Friday. Bring us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm Friday night, early Saturday morning, and then some slightly cooler weather, but it's a Pacific system, so it's not going to get all that cold. Between now and then, warming trend will get underway and continue. Tonight, the low temperatures warmer than they were last night, but still chilly in the morning. Some 30s to low 40s. Highs tomorrow up into the mid-70s. In Austin tonight, clear and 45, the overnight low. Tomorrow, 75, the high, with mostly sunny skies. On the 7-day forecast, we'll have enough low-level moisture that I think by Friday morning we'll have some of that morning fog and patchy drizzle. Then that front I just showed you comes in. It's either late Friday night or early Saturday morning. We're not convinced on the timing yet. Could bring a rain shower. It'll just drop temperatures a little bit, though, over the weekend. Actually, be kind of cold by Sunday morning.
Thank you, Jim. First morning traffic time. Let's check, first of all, the traffic flow out there. Mopac, pretty clogged up at this hour. Southbound 30.